Are you looking for the best drill bits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best drill bits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the IRWIN Drill Bit Set. This set earns the best overall spot because of the wide range of drill bits included and their versatility. Whether you're an experienced handyman or a beginner, you will appreciate a kit that gives you everything you need and more. IRWIN packed this kit with 29 drill bits made with super strong cobalt steel that can drill through even hard metals such as cast iron with ease. Each bit has a split point, which helps prevent the bit from walking across the surface being drilled rather than penetrating. That's especially helpful when drilling into harder materials, and it reduces the chance of damage to the surface you're working on. The kit contains 29 bits ranging from a 1/16 of an inches to a 1/2 inches bit in 1/64 of an inches increment. Bits larger than 3/8 of an inches have reduced shanks to allow them to be used in a standard 3/8 of an inches chuck drill without need of an adapter. Adding to the versatility of this set, the tap and drill selection chart is very helpful for those who are new to power drills and drill bits. And the sturdy case keeps the wide range of bits from falling out or twisting around inside of the kit when in transit. Up next in the 4th place is the DEWALT Titanium Nitride Coated Drill Bit Set. Getting through hardened steel can be difficult if you're not using the right drill bit. With the wrong drill bit, the point may bounce back or dance across the surface instead of making a dent in the tough substance. DEWALT created the Titanium Pilot Point Drill Bit Set to power through the often difficult process of drilling into hardened steel. The bits are highly durable and resist chipping, stalling, or dulling, even after many uses. This set of 21 titanium drill bits is made to last. The bits are ideal for a number of jobs in a wide range of industries, from drilling out broken bolts, adjusting manifolds, or removing exhaust systems, to fixing or installing car engine parts. These drill bits are designed to prevent chipping in the hardened steel and to dissipate the heat that can build when working with this durable material. They can also be used to drill wood and plastic. The 3rd product on our list is the Fisch FSF 328094 8-piece set of chrome vanadium brad point drywall bits. Using the wrong drill bit on wood can lead to disastrous results. It can reduce the aesthetic of the item or cut up the wood in a way that renders it useless for the screws or fasteners that you intend to install. Wood drill bits need to create holes that are clean and neat, as most of the work will be seen and admired. Fisch has created a brad point drill bit set that drills precise and clean holes time after time. The long-lasting bits are made of hard chrome vanadium steel. Each bit in the highly versatile Fisch 8-piece set has beveled edges for crisp, clean holes that are attractive and useful. Along with both hard and soft woods, the bits are good for drilling into laminates. Second on our list is the BOSCH TI 14-piece titanium drywall bit set. It is a durable coating that extends the life of the bit and bores through material faster than its counterparts, which is why titanium is one of the more popular materials on the drill bit market. The BOSCH TL 14-piece titanium twist kit has a plethora of pieces to get through wood, sheet metal, plastic, plexiglass, and vinyl siding, and it is strong enough to cleanly bore through cast iron surfaces. Each drill bit is coated in titanium nitride. BOSCH's Speed Helix design gets the right bit through the correct material faster than other drill bits. The titanium bits last 6 times longer than high-speed steel and have a balanced double flute that significantly cuts down on vibration. That will save time, prevent muscle fatigue, and increase the lifespan of the drill battery on projects. Finally, the top product on our list is the COMOWARE Drill Bit Set. If you don't want to spend a lot of money on a set, we recommend the COMOWARE Drill Bit Set. The kit is affordable and chock full of a wide variety of bits as well as a host of fastening and driving applications. It has 246 strong and long-lasting bits to get through the hardiest of materials or gently pierce a perfect pinhole in the thinnest sheet of steel, glass, wood, plastic, or drywall. Each bit is coated in high-speed steel material titanium and is compatible with most impact drills and drivers. The set includes 4 spade drill bits, 30 black oxide HSS twist drill bits, 17 wood drill bits, and 21 masonry drill bits in a wide variety of sizes, along with many other tool accessories to create a complete, all-inclusive drill bit kit. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.